The PMB hpc230, part number A1-230-0000, is a laser power supply, which has an output of 2 kilowatts at 450 volts of direct current, and has a built-in simmer output for the laser. This unit also has a coherent part number of 629-120111807. We received this power supply with a dead shorted simmer system, which required a full rebuild, and then we performed a full final test as shown in the video. This power supply is controlled with a custom fiber optic control system, which ERD simulated in the attached black box. At ERD, we are constantly creating custom interfaces to properly test and run equipment we receive in for repair. It is one of the things ERD has excelled at in its multiple decades of performing repair. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.